let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back.
Morning. As you can see, I'm rolling out of town after a large breakfast and a little bit of a lazy power nap in the morning. Sun's poking out a little bit, but there's a big storm coming up right behind me, so I'm already dressed for rain because it's just starting. Hopefully it'll be an afternoon with a little bit of sunshine so I can dry out before I get to my next camp. Another lazy day on the road, rolling along. I'll be going up the Similkameen Valley and going into another river drainage for my camp. So let's go. Never really get tired of these views, eh?
Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far.
So this particular area actually is still pretty warm and sunny in September. Unfortunately, not this week. So my plans to go swimming here at Bromley Rock is sadly thwarted by a little bit of rain coming, and it's kind of cool this week. Check it out if you're ever here. Neat little place.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
What do you think? I should be able to find a little something here, eh? Yeah.
Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes?
Catching a little break underneath the pine in the rain. Wait this out a little bit. I don't think it's gonna stop, but you know, chill out for a little anyway. The rain finally stopped. I don't know if it'll stay away for the night. There's another couple rain cells coming in, but at least for now, it's not raining. Check this out.
show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
I can't lie. Today was a bit of a miserable day in the rain, and those highway miles didn't make it any better. But hey, you know, it is what it is. Tonight's the last night out at the end of this nice long trip. I hope you guys have had fun tagging along with me. So this is the first time that I've filmed a long trip like this. And remember to subscribe, like, click those notifications, and please leave comments to let me know how I can improve, things that you'd like to see, or things that you'd like to learn. Until next time, later.